Interactive platforms. Free code camp. Beginner projects. Calculator app. Build a simple calculator using Python. To-do list. Create a task manager with CRUD. Create, read, update, delete functionality. Text-based game. Design a game like Hangman or Tic-Tac-Toe. Intermediate projects. Web scraper. Use Beautiful Soup or ScrapeEye to scrape and analyze web data. API integration. Build an application that uses APIs like OpenWeather or Google Maps. Simple website. Develop a personal blog or portfolio using Flask or Django. Advanced projects. Data analysis. Use Python libraries e.g., pandas, matplotlib to analyze and visualize data. Machine learning model. Create a basic predictive model using scikit-learn or TensorFlow. Full stack app. Combine Django/Flask backend with React or Vue.js frontend to build a dynamic web app. Finding study materials. YouTube channels. Tech with Tim. Tutorials on Python and its frameworks. Corey Schaefer. In-depth Python tutorials. Programming with Mosh. Beginner and intermediate Python courses. Free ebooks. A Byte of Python. Think Python. Dive into Python 3. Open source contributions. Check GitHub repositories for beginner-friendly tags like Good First Issue. First Contributions Guide helps you learn how to contribute to open source projects. Career preparation. Resume and LinkedIn. Add Python-related projects and certifications. Include GitHub links to your repositories. Certifications. Complete courses that offer certifications like Coursera, edX, or Google's Python certificate, optional but beneficial. Job portals. Explore job listings requiring Python on platforms like LinkedIn, Indeed, and Upwork. Tips for effective learning. Set goals. Define specific milestones, like completing a project or module every week. Practice daily. Even 30 minutes daily can significantly boost your skills. Join communities. Engage in Python forums, Discord servers, or meetups for networking and support. Experiment. Tinker with code to understand how it works and solve errors independently. A supportive community where you can ask questions, share resources, and get help. Stack Overflow. A platform to find solutions to Python-specific problems and learn from others' experiences. Practice platforms. HackerRank. Course, 10 Days of Python. Offers challenges to reinforce concepts and improve coding skills. LeetCode. Beginner-friendly Python coding problems, starting from the basics and progressing to advanced. Code Wars. Practice coding by solving small challenges and puzzles. Specialized topics. Once you're comfortable with the basics, explore specific areas of Python. Data science and machine learning. DataCamp free resources, beginner-friendly. Google's Python for data science, focused on data manipulation and analysis. Web development. Django official tutorial. Flask mega tutorial. Game development. Pygame official documentation. Free tutorials for creating simple games with Python. Automation. PyBytes. Challenges related to automating tasks and writing scripts. Suggested learning path. Beginner, start with the basics like syntax, loops, and conditionals using Free Code Camp or CS50's Python course. Intermediate, dive into object-oriented programming, OOP, file handling, and error handling. Specialization, pick a domain, e.g., web development, data science, automation, and work on projects. Projects, build projects such as a to-do app, calculator, or small game. Advanced topics, learn about APIs, libraries like NumPy/pandas, and frameworks like Django or Flask. Course, Python for everybody, covers Python basics, data structures, web scraping, and working with APIs. Kaggle. Course, Python course, focused on Python for data analysis and machine learning. SoloLearn. Course, Python for beginners, great for quick lessons and hands-on practice. Video tutorials. FreeCodeCamp's Python crash course on YouTube. Length, 4 hours. Covers Python basics and practical coding exercises. Programming with Mosh. Video, Python for beginners. Length, around 6 hours. Great for both beginners and intermediate learners. CS50's Introduction to Programming with Python. Length, 9 weeks, self-paced. Harvard's free course covers foundational Python concepts and projects. Text-based courses. Automate the boring stuff with Python. Free to read online. Focuses on practical applications of Python. Python.org. Official Python documentation tutorial. Comprehensive and beginner-friendly. Massive open online courses, MOOCs, Coursera, Python for everybody. Free to audit. Taught by Dr. Charles Severance, University of Michigan. edX, Introduction to Python Programming. Free to audit, paid certificate available. Focused on building a strong foundation. GitHub repositories, Awesome Python. A curated list of Python tutorials and projects. Python Crash Course. Companion to the popular book Python Crash Course. Community resources. Reddit, r/learnpython. Building a portfolio. To demonstrate your skills to potential employers or clients. Build a portfolio by completing projects and showcasing them. Here are ideas for projects.